Climb inside the 2013 Hyundai Veloster. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.